Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be announcing the winner for my summer giveaway challenge. Thank you guys so much for entering. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I have added 2 more winners. I started off with 1 grand prize winner and changed it to 3 winners. So you guys get excited. I am announcing the winners on here. And when you hear your name as a winner, please contact me via email. My email will be down below so that we can arrange your prize pack and I can get your information. Now, whatever I am mailing out will have to be until after I'm back from vacation, because I am currently on vacation mode. I am relaxing. And yeah, so let's get into it. So my first place winner is Betty Scrap Passion 01. You have won my prize pack as well as a $50 gift card to your choice of store or PayPal. And you have also won Kenzie Scrap's little goodies that she sent over as a prize pack, which is right here, some of her embellishments. So I will be mailing this stuff out to you. Congratulations, girly. And everything was random, you guys. Nothing was picked by what you sent. It was random. You guys know that's how I do my giveaways. And my second place winner is Melissa the Vintage Goose. Woohoo! You won, Melissa, the Chandler glue gun, which they will be shipping directly to you. And you also won a Coco and Reno die, which she will also be shipping to you. So congratulations on that. And then for my third place winner, it is Monty, and she's Polka Dot Pinecone on YouTube. And congratulations, girly. You have won some digitals from April Olander. You've also won a Paper Cherries kit. And you've also won a sticker pack from Amazing Sticker Co. So all 3 of you ladies, congratulations. Please don't forget to hit me up and give me your info, as well as I will give you the info for your prizes to be going out. Thank you guys so much for this amazing challenge. Stay tuned for many more. I'm actually thinking about doing something more into fall. So definitely stay tuned for that. Not more like a challenge. I'm thinking about actually doing a swap. That seems like fun. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Congratulations, ladies. Bye.